Good day, sir. I'm Chipman Malimos. I'm going to explain the EIS, Ecosonder, radar, and also the ECDIS. The EIS, so the Automatic Identification System, transmit a ship position so that other ships are aware of its position. The International Maritime Organization and other management bodies require large ships, including many commercial like fishing vessels, to broadcast their position with EIS in order to avoid collision. And the echo sender, sir, is the transmit that sound pulse downward into the water by a transducer. The echo reflected from the bed. It also received by the echo sender. The interval between the emission and of the sound falls and its return as an echo. It's used to estimate the depth of the water. And radar is an active device. It's utilize its own radio energy to detect and track the target. It does mean it does not depend on energy radiated by the target itself. It's the ability to detect a target at great distance and to locate its position with the accuracy are two of the chief attributes of radar. And also on the lasers function of electronic chart display and information system or ECDIS. ECDIS has some function which indicate not only chart information but also other information and has function that give to ship a navigator an alarm when a ship is approaching or entering into a potential dangerous area. That's all, sir. Thank you.